This question is additional exercise NCERT class 12 current electricity and question number 3.16. Very interesting question, and question is two wires of equal length, one of aluminum and other of copper, have the same resistance. Means resistance given that resistance of aluminum equal to resistance of copper, length of aluminum equal to length of copper wire. So which one, mass of aluminum or mass of and mass of copper, which one is heavier, which one is larger? So first the two conditions, resistance remains same, length remains same of the two given wire, like this is the length for copper, for aluminum, resistance of copper, resistance of aluminum, and the length L for copper and the length for aluminum. So resistance and length remains same. Now find out the which one is heavier. So first, to find out the mass, density equal to mass by volume means area into length, and mass equal to density into area into length. This is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 1. And as we know that the resistance is equal to resistivity rho, R is equal to rho L by A, where L is the length, A area of cross section of the wire. So according to this question, this formula, area equal to rho L by R. So now equation 1 is written as mass equal to density into length into area means L into rho by R. So the value of A is placed here, and then the equation d rho L square and by R. So clearly from this expression, mass directly proportional to d and rho, density and resistivity, because L and R, length and resistance of the given wire, remain same. And for this condition, so the product of density and resistivity decides which one is heavier and which one is lighter. So for mass of copper proportional to density of copper, resistivity of copper, mass of aluminum proportional to density of aluminum and resistivity of aluminum. According to the question, density of copper is given 8.9 relative density and multiplied by 1000 density kg per meter cube, and resistivity is given in the book, resistivity of copper 1.72 into 10 to the power minus 8, and the equation number 2, now mass of copper proportional to this equal to this, mass of aluminum proportional to this and this, and here the density of aluminum in the given book, aluminum 2.7 relative density, so it is multiplied by 1000 in kg per meter cube, and the value of aluminum resistivity rho aluminum 2.63 10 to the power minus 8, equation number 3. And from equation number 2 and 3, we get mass of copper by mass of aluminum equal to 8.9 into 1.72 into 10 to the power minus 5 by 2.7 into 2.63 into 10 to the power minus 5. This one is cancelled, and the overall this product is equal to the 15.3 by this one is the 7.1, and the overall calculation is nearly 2.16 and also taken as the 2.2. So the mass of copper by mass of aluminum near about 2.2, and it shows that the mass of aluminum is smaller than the mass of copper, and that is why your question is which of the two wire is lighter. So aluminum wire is lighter, and hence explain why the aluminum wire are preferred. So due to the lighter mass for the same length and for the same resistance, and that is why the aluminum wire is taken as the preference for the overhead power cables. So power cables में हम लोग इसको यूज करते हैं. So very interesting question. Thank you very much.